The top 5 attachments for your AR-15 under $150. The MBUS 3 iron sights. These are around $60 for the pair and flip up and down. I think iron sights are important to have on your AR as a backup in case your main optic fails. Let's get these open. You can see here, this is the front and rear sight. To install it, the first thing you need to do is to just take this screw out. And for the rear sight, just slide it from the back on the rail. Put in the screw and then screw it in. Super easy installation. You can see it flips up and down. Nice little button action. For the front sight, it's the same thing. Just slide it in and then put in the screw. There you go. Those are the iron sights installed. Next, we have the M-LOK MVG. This is a vertical grip. Vertical grips are nice to have, especially when you're shooting a lot and the barrel gets hot, because you can't really hold on to it anymore. So if you have a vertical grip, that heat doesn't transfer to it. It's also nice to have for stability. So this is from Magpul. My barrel is M-LOK. So this is an M-LOK specific vertical grip. Once you install the M-LOK screws, you just basically put it in and tighten them. Super easy installation. And boom, now we have a vertical grip. The next thing we have is the Romeo5 from Sig Sauer. This is a red dot sight for AR-15s. In the box, you get the instructions. It looks pretty simple to set up. Get a nice little microfiber cloth here. Also get a battery for it and a key. And then a mount. And the sight itself. To install it, all you have to do is loosen this screw. Let's put in the battery first. Now that the battery's in, I'm going to install it on the barrel. Somewhere in the middle. Just put it on and screw it in. There we go. We got the red dot installed. You can see it lines up with the iron sights as well. The next attachment is the Streamlight 88059 Protac. And this is a light we're going to mount to the railing of the barrel. This is good to have if it's nighttime or it's dark in your house, wherever you're using your AR. It also has a strobe feature. I think this one is around 800 lumens, so it's plenty bright. Because I have an M-LOK railing, I have to take off this 1913 attachment. And then we're going to put on the M-LOK one. This is actually provided in the box. There we go. Now that's installed. Put in the M-LOK screws. Now just attach it to the barrel and tighten it. Super easy installation. Looks pretty sick. And I actually realized that I had the grip a little too far forward, so I decided to move it back a little bit because my hand was hitting the light. Also, you can install this pad here that makes it easier to turn on the flashlight, but I'm too lazy, so I'm just going to keep it with the button. Here it is in action. You can see it's plenty bright, and then the strobe feature. The last piece is going to be the sling. A sling is going to help you if you're carrying your AR anywhere. So you can just strap it on your back and walk around instead of having to hold it all the time. It's pretty easy to install. You're just going to thread this strap through the back of your stock, and the front one through the front of your barrel, or if you have like an M16 style thing that's sticking out, you could also wrap it through there. Now just tighten the straps. There we go. There we go. That's the sling installed. And those were the top 5 attachments for your AR-15 under $150 and how to install them. I hope you enjoyed the video. All the attachments are going to be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.